Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa, and today we're making pan-crisp polenta squares. Prepare polenta according to the package instructions. Pour warm polenta over parchment-lined baking sheet to a 1-inch thickness, smoothing top flat with a spatula. Let cool. In a medium-large skillet, sauté onions in olive oil until soft. Add in the garlic, Italian seasoning, pepper or chili flakes, and salt, and cook for a few minutes. Then add in your desired vegetables. Sauté till crisp tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from the pan. Add in the spinach and cook until wilted. Cool, then squeeze out the excess liquid and chop. In a medium pot, heat marinara sauce to a slow simmer and reduce to thicken about 10 minutes. Slice polenta into large squares and pan fry on both sides until lightly browned and crisp. Non-stick or cast iron works well here. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Pour marinara sauce over polenta squares, then top with spinach and sautéed vegetables. Add olives, fresh basil, and Parmesan if using. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes or until just heated through. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.